Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Ninathesimplekenyangal. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to get healthy tips coming right your way and travel vlogs coming right your way. So today's topic will be talking about how to reduce stress, or mentally and physical stress. So let's go right in the video. First things first, I found just like 3 things that are really helpful. I tried and they help. So I think somebody somewhere might maybe need this. And yeah, so one, exercise. And I don't just mean exercise when you're stressed. I mean you exercise when regular exercises. These help improve your endorphins, which improve your mood and act as painkillers in your body. So when you're stressed and you exercise regularly, you'll be able to get the results, not just mental results but physical results. This helps you if you exercise, like if you wake up, do a little exercise or maybe a 30 minutes exercise, you feel so useful. I don't know, it's just a different kind of a feeling, which is different just from waking up, going to shower and walking out of the house, rather than waking up, working out and then taking a shower. And this it improves your sleep quality. If you have problems with sleeping, you exercise and then regularly, maybe in a week's time, you start seeing improvements in your sleep. And yeah, it makes you feel confident about yourself and competent, because you feel like you own the world. I don't know if you have ever felt that feeling. If you have, comment and tell me how it helps you or how exercises help you in your day-to-day life. 2, reduce your caffeine intake. Caffeine is mostly found in tea, coffee and chocolates. But the good thing is coffee can be healthy, but in moderation, if you take in moderate times. But if you take high dosages of caffeine, you can increase anxiety, and of course you'll be stressed about it, and yeah, that's not good. So try reducing your caffeine intake. Write it down. I've tried this and it feels so great, but not just writing what you're frustrated about, but just, they say gratitude may help reveal stress and anxiety by focusing on the thoughts that are positive. Just like looking back and saying, oh, I've come from this to this to this. So I know some things are coming ahead of me and better days are coming. Yeah, just focusing on the good that had happened to you makes you more competent to go forward. I think that's the way to go. But even if you're frustrated and you just think, or stressed and you just think, maybe I write what I feel down, if you don't want to talk to friends or people, it's okay. And you feel like you've just let it out to someone else and it works wonders. Do some cuddle, kisses. Positive physical contact is good because it releases oxytocin and lower cortisol, which help lower blood pressure and heart rate. How good is that? I didn't know that, and that's something new you should note down, because many people take this for granted, but you should do this stuff. Hug, cuddle, kiss. Yeah, do the, because you just feel like, oh, that's out. Yeah. The other tips, I'll just mention them down. I just went through the 4 that I know that work. I've tried 3 which have helped me so much. And yeah, so the other one is, if you feel like you're anxious, just take a deep breath. It helps. Listen to soothing music. I do soul most of the time, soul music. This is like not the heartbreaking ones, the ones that are more love in the air kind of a move. That helps me. I don't know how, but I don't know, maybe you can try something soothing. Yeah, it can help. Another thing I found, that I go hard on myself, is organizing a to-do list, but like I must beat a deadline at a certain time, which is not realistic because you have to really work hard for that. And you should avoid procrastinating. This is writing a to-do list organized by unrealistic set of goals, you know, like give yourself a realistic deadline to get to a certain goal. Does that make sense? Yeah, it's frustrating. Yeah, I know, I've been there, but at the end of the day, it pays off because you gave yourself time, and pushing yourself so hard might at times make you lose focus on what you're going through or where you want to go as a person in your target goal. But if you give yourself, pardon me, if you give yourself a realistic goal, good for you, and you'll be good to go. Spend time with friends and family if you're comfortable. Like, yeah, laugh, guys, laugh. This, oh my god, it gives you, it's like a therapy. You just laugh before you go back to reality. Yeah, and when you laugh, it improves your mood and your immune system. That's new too, I didn't know that. And it relieves tension in your muscles. Yeah. Yeah, I know. And being with a friend, kind of a network, and talking and communicating, sharing the good moments, the bad moments, this makes you feel like you have a self-worth, you belong somewhere, and which can help you in tough times. Maybe you don't trust friends, yeah, that's okay, but there's one person out there you cannot, like, if you're going through hell, you talk to. Yeah, and I hope you have learned a few tips about stress and how to handle it. It's hard, yeah, but try those tips and maybe they can help you out. See you next time. Comment if you want anything to be, if you want me to upload any video about anything in health and travel. And yeah, I'll see you on Thursday. Have a nice day. Subscribe, tell your friends, share if you care. See you next time.